Hello, so guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix your Fortnite FPS that's lagging or maybe just increase the FPS. So by the way, it works on the PS4, Xbox One and the PC and on the Switch. So let's begin. So guys, go to your settings on video and then what you need to do is go to frame rate limit like you see on here. On here you want to change it to unlimited. Then what you need to do is turn all of these off and then go to textures and turn this on to epic. And what you need to do then, you want to go down to allow multi-threaded rendering and turn this one on. So this is the basic step what you can do to increase your FPS on Fortnite. By the way, it works for all the consoles. And let's go to the next step. So guys, if you're running other applications, softwares or things like that, what I suggest you to do is turn them off. And let me tell you guys, it will increase your FPS and fix the FPS lag, because if your console or PC is running like really hard, and it will happen that you maybe get FPS lag. And by the way, I'm gonna show you a fix for the network settings too. So the first thing what you want to do is go to friends on the PS4 or the Xbox One. And if we have a lot of friends, guys, what I suggest you to do is delete some friends. For an example, if you have like more than 150 friends, if you have like more than 200 friends, 300 friends, what you need to do is just delete them off and just delete some randomly added friends or just friends that you don't know. And let me tell you guys, it will fix your menu lag too, just by doing this. And what you also can do is go to notifications and delete some notifications. Just go to delete and select them all and delete them all. So let's go to the next step, guys. If we have network errors or network that's really low, and what you need to do is go to network and you want to test our internet connection. So this will just fix your network settings that I'm going to show you right now. You can also try this on the Xbox and the Switch, because you also can use DNS codes, and even on the PC too by using a CDM. So go to setup internet connection, and what I suggest you guys to use on all the consoles, use a LAN cable. And I can guarantee you guys you will get 4 times better internet connection. You can even try it yourself. You can go to Wi-Fi and then test your internet connection, and then back like you can switch back to LAN cable and test your internet connection, and you will see the difference. Like it sometimes gets like 10 times better than Wi-Fi. And what does that have to do with FPS? It has to do a lot of things with FPS, because it will fix the lag, the FPS on the online place. And if you don't have a LAN cable or just it's too far away from your router, what you also can do is just use Wi-Fi. And by the way, you can do the same what I'm gonna do right now on the LAN cable too. So I'm doing Wi-Fi. It's just the same, it doesn't matter on the LAN cable too. Go to your Wi-Fi. Now on IP address settings, you want to do automatic. Hostname, do not specify. DNS settings, manual. And now guys, you will see this. If you never used a DNS code before, it will say like 000, but if you did, you will get a number. And what I suggest you guys to use is 1.1.1, and on the secondary DNS 1.0.0.1, And then what you need to do is next. But what you also can do is you can use this DNS code. This is also safe to use, guys, don't worry. And by the way, it all depends on the region or the country where you live on. So it might not work for you. That's because you live in a country or region that doesn't support the DNS codes. But you can always try these. So this is the DNS code of Google. Let's do next. Automatic. And do not use. And now you can test your internet connection. So, like I said, guys, it will never get that great internet connection like the LAN cable. Only if you have like a special service that gets like more than 100 Mbps or 1000 Mbps. And some people have that. So like I said, it won't have a lot of Mbps or megabits, how you want to call it. And by the way, guys, what I'm gonna show you right now is another fix too. So what you need to do is turn off your console. Just completely turn it off. So guys, once the white light goes away, what you need to do is keep holding the power button. So that's one beep right there, and you want to wait till we hear 2 beeps. And a second beep right there, and just leave it like this. Now, let's go back to our screen. And by the way, guys, what I want to tell you next, if you don't see anything on your screen, just grab your TV remote and go back to PS4. So it sometimes happens, guys. And now let's go on. So now you're on safe mode, and it will ask connect to DualShock 4 using the USB cable, and then press the PS button. You want to exactly do that, just connect your controller and then press the PS button. Now guys, the joysticks won't work like you see, because we are on safe mode, and what you need to use is the D-pad. Do you see that? And on the Xbox, the Switch, Xbox, and the PC, you need to do the same. On the safe mode was PC, I think. On the Switch it was recovery mode, and on the Xbox One I think it was troubleshoot. And on the PS4, like you see, it's a safe mode. And now guys, what you need to do is go to rebuild database, and I'm just gonna let you guys know, it won't delete all of your data. It will only delete like corrupted data, and it will cause that your console is gonna run a lot faster. And what you also can use after doing rebuild database, you can do change resolution. So you can change your resolution back to like normal, automatic. But what I suggest you guys to do is most likely rebuild database. And like I said, you won't experience any problems. It won't delete all of your data. It won't delete your games or captured gallery. It's safe to do. The only thing what's gonna delete everything is number 6 and number 7, but we are doing number 5. It will just delete corrupted data, like I said, and the database will be rebuilt. It might take a few hours, and just hit OK. And I'm gonna prove to you guys that it won't delete anything. You are safe to go. By the way, if you like or subscribe, you maybe get a little bit more luck, fix your FPS or increasing it. I'm gonna skip a little bit forward. And like you see, we'll get the screen right here, rebuilding database. It's gonna take just a few minutes, guys. And let's skip a little bit forward again. And now, just to prove to you guys that I didn't lose anything, Let's see. So we are on our console, and by the way, if your games like changed place, it's completely normal, guys. It's nothing to worry about. You can go to storage and check it out yourself, and like you see, I didn't lose any data. And like I said, it's safe to do. And by the way, guys, what you also can do is go to communities. And if you have like more Fortnite errors or things like that, what you can do is join the community right here, Error Fix and Kiri. We will help you around with these type of problems, guys. And by the way, please like, subscribe and comment down below. And take care of yourself, guys. Goodbye.